If you want to set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, the first thing that you need to do is you need to get the custom sound on your phone. You need to somehow transfer it, download it, or anything else, anything that allows you to have the sound on the phone's storage. Once you have it, you can go to the My Files app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer or maybe in the Samsung folder. And once we go to My Files, then you can go to the audio section. Here you need to press and hold your finger on the notification sound that you want to set, the custom one, and then tap on Move at the bottom. Over here press OK, and tap on the internal storage that we have here at the top, and then search for the notifications folder. You want to go here and you want to move that file into that folder. Once it is done, we're gonna open the settings. Next, choose Sounds and Vibration. Go to Notification Sound, and then here, if you scroll all the way to the top, you should be able to find your custom notification sound in the custom section. Leave a like and subscribe.